Smoke detectors are essential safety devices designed to detect the presence of smoke, typically as an indicator of fire. These devices are crucial in homes, offices, and public spaces to provide early warnings and enable timely evacuation and firefighting measures. Integrating smoke detection capabilities with microcontroller platforms like Arduino offers a versatile and customizable solution for building smart smoke detectors. This project is to design, develop, and test a smoke detector using an Arduino microcontroller. The system should be capable of detecting the presence of smoke and providing audible and visual alerts. Additionally, the system can be enhanced with features such as remote notifications and data logging to improve safety and usability.
Tekan pok.